So Pepe coin, I really think is looking like it's in a decent place for dollar cost averaging, preparing for that next leg up, which should come around October time, where we see things look hopefully very bullish again. Now we can see fear and greed index, we've got 31, and what usually happens is chaos hits the markets, retail kind of sells in a loss, they get shaken out of the position, and smart money will end up buying and dollar cost averaging in and really accumulating that sort of dip. Pepe right now is, well, versus its all-time high, it's still down quite a lot, but on the week we've had kind of not that much of a rebound. I thought we'd have a bit more of a rebound following the shakeout. We did come down to 3 billion, but we're still hovering around that 3.5 billion mark. You can see on the month we're still very much down. Now the golden opportunity was of course getting in at $2.6 billion over there, but the chances of actually being able to buy this low and actually catch that dip quick enough, unless you had sort of buying orders that were already standing there, very, very unlikely. But good bounce, still very much sort of sideways action here for Pepe coin. But I think just comparing to the all-time high, we've still got a long way to go. We're not at threatening levels just yet, and it's still looking pretty good. So yeah, very much fear in the markets. And I personally like to be greedy when others are fearful and deploy the strategy of buying when the market just feels absolutely disgusting. Pepe coin still looking really good, 675k followers over here, and they're not really marketing. I always say this, they don't actually like deploy their Twitter. They've got this amazing tool being its Twitter page with so many followers, but they just don't use it. They could talk about so many things. They just don't need to. They've got enough brand awareness already, enough following already. So yeah, we've put through a lower low, as you can see right here, and we are battling on resistance. I would be really, happy if this could just be a huge breakout here, because it's starting to look a bit like a symmetrical triangle. And if we do get that breakout, it could just look ever so good. If we do pump to the upside, looking at the 2618 fib level, maybe 1618 fib level, want to remove a zero again and see hopefully a 20% move to the upside for this token. Now, obviously, we hit the oversold area on the RSI. We hit 27 on the daily RSI, which is such a rarity for this coin. Haven't done it on the weekly for literally over a year, but when we do get in that sub 30 RSI for Pepe coin, it's going to be an absolute great dollar cost average region. So I've identified that we did see the oversold area here, but I don't know if we're going to go lower or not. It's hard to say exactly what will happen next, because honestly, none of us truly know. I just feel like now is a better time to be buying Pepe, considering it is down in price. And yes, it could go down 10% more, but the chances of it doing like a 50% correction from where we currently are and coming down to, 0.38, I think that's extremely low. It's already done a 50% correction, and doing a 50% correction from current areas, I just don't think will happen during this particular sort of bull market cycle. So that kind of gives me the sort of the risk appetite to go for it, and I would be buying around this level. I think by the time we do get to the top of the bull run, we could see like a 0.0003 Pepe. So I do think a 5x could be very, very much possible for this coin. 3, 5, 4x around that sort of territory to get Pepe's market cap into the $10+ billion territory. That's what we want to see over here, guys, for Pepe coin. Be sure to also check out my Patreon, by the way. Please do look at it if you want to unlock more money, make more crypto gains, financial freedom, time freedom, location freedom, make money from your laptop, make money from your mobile phone. Check out my Patrons. I've only got 6 crypto legend packages left. That's it, and then it's gone. Quick reminder as well that September and August are very bearish months, so don't expect anything crazy. We might see something great happen in October, November, and December, where fingers crossed we can see an all-time high for even Bitcoin later this year. That's still on the cards, and it's still a possibility. What also I want to quickly share with you guys is a new ICO that launched called Crypto All-Stars, $339.5k raised for this one so far. 1 stars equals 0.00138. So basically you got these different champions that are jumping over the vault. They're doing like some jumping and activity and stuff. Basically, you can see your favorite meme coin guys. You've got Floki, Pepe, Brett, and a few others. And I think this could be a very cool pre-sale to get into. It's got solid tokenomics. It's got a really cool vault system. They're going to deploy in centralized exchange and DEX. And it could be a new 10x meme coin out there. Of course, not financial advice. It's an ICO phase, but they do have some wonderful, wonderful staking rewards at the moment of 5,367% per annum on the staking reward. So if you like that, the sound of that, you can really compound some big coins there by locking in some liquidity and enjoying that large staking reward. 2,800 All-Stars stars coins or stars tokens per Ethereum block. So check that out down below if you do like the idea of that. Very cool graphically, nice pixel art, and they've got a really solid Twitter page as well that I've just deployed. But yeah, overall, guys, I think, we're in a bit of a bearish place still. Things don't feel great. The general retail market is bored. There's fear. There's people on holiday. It's not the right time to have market makers in crypto right now, just trying to make everything happen. It's just not what we're going to see. So it is going to be a lull for a while, but boy, when the wheels are turned again, when the cogs are moving, I expect this market to go absolutely parabolic. See you soon, and subscribe, like if you're new here. Bye for now.